Welcome to World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez. Today we're going to be making a burger using Italian sausage. Let's cook. Okay, so we got our Italian sausage. We're going to add some salt, black pepper, a little bit of onion powder, some garlic powder, and some of the W sauce. The Worcestershire. Mix this all up. Okay, we're gonna form our patties. Roll this up here, sorry about that, see that? Oh yeah. So, our patties are formed. Next step is to cook. Okay, so got a hot pan. Now it's time to cook our burgers. Okay, now we're gonna put some provolone cheese. Because of course we're using Italian sausage. You know how that goes. Okay, let that melt. Alright, so we got some olive oil in our pan. We're using bagels, okay? Okay, brown those a little bit. Okay, so let's put our burger together now. We got our sauce here. Made this with some mayonnaise and some ketchup. Or whatever type of sauce you guys want to use. And of course this is spicy mayonnaise. Spicy ketchup. And we're using a regular plain bagel. We got our burger, provolone cheese, got some Roma tomatoes, sweet onions, and some basil instead of lettuce. There we have it, folks. Our Italian sausage burger. Enjoy.